I am Elizabeth Mosquera Mosquera. I am teacher and una Western Zone Quito. I am master in business administration. The story that I going to tell you is called Juliet of the Future in 4 months. She was reading about what your future self can to predict something that happening in the next 4 months. She was excited and anxious to guess the thing to happening, but first she got her the choice whether find the good news or the what news. She said that the good news first before she began the speech about some present events, like summer very bad for the dolphin in the weather. But her future listening like confused because this song night event really. And said that el said that the situation were not serious such as does that will happen with the COVID-19 pandemic. Herself future predict that she was going to want to withdraw her investment from the stock market. In exchange, recommend that it's better in invest in virtual plans for such as Zoom. The exertion and have some hobby that would keep her dealing with the pandemic was passing. Well, I invite to three to which was the show film. Bye bye.